Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use the ADX histogram indicator. Okay, so after you must have added the indicator to your indicators folder, come and refresh your navigator and just drag and drop. All right, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then as for the input, you can see here the only customizable setting we have here is the calculation period. If you want higher sensitivity, you just reduce the period. If you want lower sensitivity, you just increase the period, right? Now we click on OK. So as you can see, this indicator helps to strengthen your trend analysis. All right, it's a visually enhanced tool that is designed to measure market momentum and the strength of the trend. Okay, by transforming the traditional ADX into an easy to read histogram, this indicator allows you to quickly identify strong trends, weak market conditions, and potential breakout phases. Now, if we look at this indicator, I believe that it is self-explanatory, right? Whenever the indicator bar turns green, it's telling you that it's a bullish signal, right? Bullish momentum. When the indicator bars turn red, it's a bearish momentum. Okay, now you can decide to focus more on the histogram bars. All right, just focus more on the histogram bars for your buy and sell signals. Okay, because this line might confuse you a bit, so just focus more on the histogram bars. When the histogram bars turn red, you want to look out for sell signals, sell opportunities. I mean, when the histogram bars turn green, you want to look out for buy opportunities. Okay, as you can see here, this was a bullish opportunity. You can see here this was a bearish opportunity. This was bullish opportunity all the way through. This was just a mere pullback, right? A mere pullback. And then this was a bearish opportunity. You can see that. And then this was a mere pullback and all of that bearish opportunity. Okay, so it's a very straightforward indicator, right? If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading insights. Okay, click the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more videos when we drop them on this channel. Cheers for watching. See you in the next video.